Hello and welcome back to the class. I am Arbaz Khan, your English language teacher. Previously, we have studied every aspect of language learning, that is reading, that is writing, that is speaking, that is listening, the very basic grammar and the very important pronunciation of words. And I hope you have learned a lot from that classes. Now, what I am teaching to you today, you might have guessed exactly to how use technology and your language learning. You know what is technology? Exactly. That is a technology, but how to use technology to boost up your language learning, to boost up your reading, your listening, your speaking, your reading and your pronunciation, to how improve all these language learning aspects while using modern techniques and modern technologies, that is like ChatGPT, that's like Quillboard, that's like Grammarly, and online dictionaries and the search engines like Google and Yahoo. And today class is going to be very interesting because it is based upon the modern technologies and modern techniques and modern internet. So be focused, be attentive, and in today class I hope you may have learned a lot in today class. So let's take a start. Before the start of the class, let me share a few objectives of today class. And today class, students will get used to how to use technology for improvement in their reading, speaking, listening and pronunciation skills. Students will be able to know about ChatGPT, Quillboard, Grammarly, online dictionaries like Oxford Dictionary and like Cambridge Dictionary, and also they will know about how to use search engines like access to Google and Yahoo, to how to use these search engines for your improvement of a language learning. So this was all about today objectives. Let's for a fruitful results, all the students are directed to follow a set of instruction that is very mandatory for you people, that is be attentive, wind up your everything, you have everything in your mind, you have to leave that, be attentive in today class, follow me step by step, follow the chart which is displayed on the board, which I prepared for you people. Let me share a model for a today class. So look at the charts on the board. I have prepared a charts on the board which contain the definitions, which contain the uses of many modern tools and many technological tools like ChatGPT, Quillboard, Grammar, like Oxford Dictionary and Google's and Yahoo, to how use that technological tools to improve your language learning. So look at the charts at the board. The first chart includes how to use AI. This chart includes the definition of AI, the history of artificial intelligence, and how can you use it for your language learning, how can you use it to improve your reading, your writing, your pronunciation, your grammar, your listening and your speaking. The second chart contains how to use search engines like Yahoo, Google and dictionaries for learning. It includes the definitions of Yahoo, Google and dictionary, and also it includes how to use it to improve your language learning, to how improve your language learning by using these search engines like Google and Yahoo, and to how involve dictionaries, online dictionaries like Cambridge English Dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary to improve your language learning. I think this all is clear in today class. Now let's move on to a guided practice. I think you have learned from the model. Now it's to do some teamwork. Now make group works, follow the models displayed on the board, and do a group based project like one member will derive pronunciation, the another member will derive listening skills, the another member will derive writing skill, the another member will use AI for speaking. Talk to the artificial intelligence. There is a option for your speaking, that you can use AI to speak about each and every topic. It includes a lot of information about each and every topic in this world. It is a modern technological tool. Now do a teamwork, do your best and improve your language learning in groups by using technology. I think we have done with the guided practice. Now it's time to do something individually. It is for the purpose to boost your creativity. Everyone is directed to do according to instruction and the models. Focus on the model, focus on the chart which is displayed on the board. Use your computers or use your smartphones and use search engines like Yahoo, like Google, and also use ChatGPT and Quillboard and do something individually. Boost up your language learning, boost up your listening, your speaking, your reading, your writing, your grammar, your pronunciation skills by using these modern tools which I have given you previously in the class, and do according to the instruction and while following the models. I think we are clear about today class, like we have done it 3 times, like in the class, in the group forms, and also you have done it independently. I hope you may have learned a lot of things in today class. Now it's time for assessment. I am giving you blank pages. Anything you learn from today class, wrote at least 3 to 5 things which you have learned from today class, its definition, its use, and along with the examples to how we can use it for a language learning. So that's all about today class. See you in next class. Thank you.